Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're watching severe weather tornado warning. At the moment, it might be expired till 4 p.m. So go to shelter if you're in that area. Tornado watch till 10 p.m. tonight. Severe thunderstorm watch newly issued for the Iowa. That just came in just not long ago, 10 p.m. There might be one going out for Kansas City in just a little bit. There are some strong thunderstorms starting to develop now in the Kansas City area. So get ready if you're in that area. Sorry about that. And then there's another one all the way down here in Oklahoma. Severe thunderstorm watch till 10 p.m. So we're watching that right now. Another tornado warning right over here. This would head right towards Chicago. Oh, no, actually a little more south, but we'll watch this very closely. 4:15 radar indicated. So, let's get to our other radar about the tornado warnings. Okay, here it is. I'm sorry about that. I thought I wasn't recording anymore. Some rotation a little bit in there. We'll watch that there. Let's see if we see any coefficient. Nothing showing up really right now with that storm. Let's head on to the one by Chicago. This would hit the radar probably. So we would have to watch this very closely. Radar indicated 1 inch hail, and then we would have to watch about probably in this area probably. Watch that very closely. If I was in your guys' areas, I'd still be taking shelter immediately. So we're going to show you the severe risk today in just a minute. So let me get it pulled up. I'll see you in just a second. Okay, here we go. There's a site risk issued for Missouri, and these areas include Kansas City's in the site risk area that impacts NOAA National Weather Service. Tornado threat, low. It's actually not even tornado threat for Kansas City, but up there is a tornado threat. 5% risk, that's why there's a couple of tornado warnings in the around area. So, 5% risk, get ready in that area, get your tornado plans ready. Wind threat in this area, including Kansas City, and the other areas like Iowa, Illinois, Wisconsin, and Minnesota, Kansas, and Oklahoma for the wind threat, and some over there too. And then the hail threat is not really that big of a threat, but 5% risk for Kansas City. So the next few days, the risks of severe weather, going across from Michigan, Indiana, and Ohio, and then going for Iowa, Minnesota, and Wisconsin.